I'm going to show you another math hack. Prime factorization is often shown and taught with a factor tree, but did you know there's another way to do it? It's called repeated division or a layer cake. So let's try the layer cake method. When it's prime factorization, that means you need a prime number to get started. The smallest prime number is 2. So I'm going to use a 2 and I'm going to make it look like division, which is where the repeated division comes into hand. So once I divide this, I have 120. I'm going to keep going. What is another small prime number that goes into 120? That's 2. So I'm going to keep using 2's until it's no longer an even number. 2 goes into 120 60 times. 2 still goes into 60, so I'm going to use a 2 again. That goes in 30 times. 2 still goes into 30, so I'm going to use the 2 again. This time it goes in 15 times, and 2 does not go into 15 because it's an odd number. But the next prime number after 2 is a 3. So I'm going to use a 3, and my answer is a 5, which is also a prime number. Once I've reached all prime numbers on the outside of my layer cake, I can now gather up my prime factors into 2 displays. I can either stretch it out in the expanded form, which would be 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 2's, so 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. Or I can go ahead and condense it into an exponent form, which is 2 to the 4th power times 3 times 5. So that's just another way that we can use prime factorization without doing a factor tree.